Tom again, CEO and co-founder of BuddyBoss, and today I am super excited to share with you what we've been up to in this month of March. In this video, I will tell you about updates from both our customer success and customer support teams, updates on BuddyBoss 2.0, and updates on the BuddyBoss app. And if you're wondering why we're recording this video from a hotel room, we're currently in Manila meeting with the Filipino staff members at BuddyBoss who make up more than a third of our global staff. And I'll tell you more about our trip to Manila later in this video. And before I start with the updates, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on that bell icon so you're always up to date with what's happening at BuddyBoss. During this month of March, our customer success team continued to do success calls with app customers, and our onboarding team is getting bigger with other members such as Thomas now being involved in the delivery of the training material. We're also now inviting all app customers to attend onboarding sessions. This is aimed for customers who still didn't get started on creating and launching their mobile app. And the success team is about to release our app publishing training into the BuddyBoss Academy, which walks you step by step through the publishing process. This will help everyone understand the entire process of publishing, which will help improve the customer experience when publishing updates to your app or when working with our publishing team. And on the customer support side, we're now escalating tickets directly to the appropriate support team members based on the category you choose on the ticket submission form. This new ticket routing aims to send you directly to the right team for your ticket. By doing so, you'll get better, more accurate, and faster responses, all aimed to provide you with a better customer support experience whenever you need it. I do want to stress that right now, this means some of our team members are having a high ticket load while we adjust to this new system, and it's causing some delayed responses, but it's just a temporary issue. Rest assured, this will be resolved shortly, and we can't wait to hear your feedback on the improvements over the coming weeks ahead. Now, on the operations side, our team is continuing to work with our product team on improving processes across the board. One of the key wins this month was an update to our process of creating new hooks to the BuddyBoss app. App developers who request new hooks through support to be added to the product will now get access to the hooks requested much faster and without having to wait for the next release date. And together with the product team, we're also making improvements to the BuddyBoss Bundler, which are expected to be released sometime in April. And before I get into the product updates, I'd like to share that we're currently hiring for two key positions: a partnerships and growth manager for our marketing team, and a highly experienced senior quality analyst to help in our product team. And I'm adding a link in the description below to the job descriptions should you or someone you know be interested in joining our team. So that's it for the success, support, and operations updates. Let's now get into the product updates. Earlier this month, we released updates to BuddyBoss Web, allowing you to customize layouts in the member profiles as well as the member directories. We've also released a video that goes over those features in detail, and you can find a link to the video in the description below. The update was also released with new features for customizing the layouts in the group profiles and the group directories. And to learn more about how you can make the most out of these new features, you'll also find a link in the description below to the group's video tutorial we published. BuddyBoss 2.0 beta is now live and ready for you to try it out. So please download the beta and try it out on the staging site. And please, and this is super important, please do not try it out on a production site until we've made the final public release. BuddyBoss 2.0 beta comes with a number of new features, styling improvements, and other improvements across the board. We now have a new template pack for 2.0 and the ability to switch from Theme 1.0 styling to Theme 2.0 styling. We've made the color options much more organized and gave you the ability to apply your colors of choice to more areas of the theme. We've introduced custom label colors for profile and group types. For example, you can choose to make the label for teachers red and the label for students blue. We've made the standalone forums look much better with support for featured images as cover photos. We've improved the layout of forum discussions, and we will be making further improvements during the beta period. We've created a whole new icon pack. This is a custom icon pack that we've designed specifically for BuddyBoss customers. The new icon pack includes 489 new icons with 6 variations for each icon. These icons are now used in the web front end, the theme options, the platform admin settings, and they will be added to the app and the app plugin settings as well to help provide a unified icon experience between your website and mobile app. We've updated the icon picker to support the new icon pack and added new options so you can choose icon variations. We've added multiple header options allowing you to choose between various header styles, such as the tab bar style, which uses icons just like in the mobile app, the search style, which shows a big search bar in the header, and more. We've added new mobile header options allowing you to set a specific menu which will appear only in the mobile header panel. We've added new Buddy panel options allowing you to now move your logo into the Buddy panel using any of the header styles, unlike before where this was limited to only one of the header styles. We've introduced the ability to divide your navigation items into multiple sections in the Buddy panel. We've created a Buddy panel Gutenberg block which can be placed in any WordPress page as a block or added into any widget area. And we've improved styling for BuddyBoss widgets and core WordPress Gutenberg blocks when added into widget areas. And during the next 4 weeks, while we work on the feedback we receive from beta users, we'll also be making additional styling improvements to the LearnDash integration, WooCommerce, GameImpress, and other integrations to make the interface more in line with the new Theme 2.0. The team will also be making further improvements to the forum discussion threads, blog, maintenance page, 404 page, and the footer. All these improvements will all be made in time for the public release, which we hope to push live in the next 3 to 4 weeks, depending on the amount of feedback we receive and the work involved to get it all ready for production. We will also release the big overhaul of the user notification settings in April. This was initially scheduled for March, but we expect a delay of about a week or 2 before it's finally released. And once BuddyBoss 2.0 is released, our product front-end team will begin working on the Tutor LMS integration, and our product leadership team will focus on the final stages of getting the live messaging and web push notifications features ready for a Q2 release. Our development team has been making good progress on the live messaging for both BuddyBoss Web and BuddyBoss App. They've also made great progress on the web push notifications feature, so we don't expect it to be too long before these 2 major features are finally released. On the BuddyBoss App side, earlier this month, we pushed out a big release that included many improvements and fixes to the BuddyBoss app based on customer feedback. And coming up next will be the new App Access Controls feature release, which is a highly requested feature on our roadmap. The new App Access Controls feature will allow you to customize and control the access to the app based on the membership level, user type, or other criteria. You'll be able to control which menus are visible to users based on if they're logged in or logged out, and based on their access level. You'll also be able to limit access to specific core app screens, specific LearnDash courses, WordPress pages and app pages, and WordPress posts. This super exciting feature will be released in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Another feature that we're very close to releasing is iOS Universal Links and Android App Links. Currently, we provide deep linking for site URLs clicked inside of the BuddyBoss app, so that when you click on a URL, if it's a link to a page that is available in the mobile app, it leads the user to the best mobile experience by sending them to the app instead of attempting to open the URL in a browser. This was great, but with the new feature we're about to launch, even links clicked outside of the BuddyBoss app will also lead to the app when that content is available in the mobile app, providing the user with an even better mobile experience. Another super exciting project we have started working on will allow us to provide the ability for app developers to integrate third-party native SDKs with the BuddyBoss app without the need of the BuddyBoss agency. Currently, you can already use third-party JavaScript libraries, and allowing third-party native SDKs will provide a new level of flexibility. This project is in early stages of development and we'll provide you with an update as soon as we have an ETA. And we have so much planned for the BuddyBoss app in 2022. Our product design team has already started designing some exciting new features that will help make the BuddyBoss app even more versatile and highly customizable, which will help us in our journey of making the BuddyBoss app the #1 tool for creating WordPress-powered mobile apps. And while our product design team continues to prepare for what's coming next, and after we've released the long-awaited app features such as live messaging, app access controls, and the other planned improvements to the in-app purchases module, we will have the larger part of the BuddyBoss App developer team take a 2 to 3 month break from creating new features and focus on making all the existing features better, make improvements across the board, and work on feedback received from customers. So that's it for product updates. I am super excited about the coming months and about how the BuddyBoss app is shaping up. We've made huge progress over the last year, and I think with everything we've been working on coming together, these next few months and the rest of the year are going to be huge for the BuddyBoss app. Now, let me tell you about why we're filming this update video today in a hotel room. Last week, we flew to Manila to meet our Filipino staff. As many of you know, we have a global team of over 150 members across 13 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, East Europe, Dubai, India, Bangladesh, and the Philippines. And in the Philippines alone, we have over 60 team members who work in various teams across the company, including customer support, graphic design, HR, process management, project management, and more. And beyond work, the Philippines holds a special place in my heart. Michael and I have spent months working out of the Philippines in the early days of BuddyBoss, and many of the products we've launched in the early days were launched from Manila. But over the last couple of years, the Philippines was not allowing travel for foreigners, so we haven't been able to meet and hang out with our Filipino team members for a while. And during the pandemic, the team grew exponentially, which means that we never had the chance to meet many of the team members in person until now. So at the end of last week, from Friday to Sunday, we got to hang out with the team over lunches and dinners. We got to know the new team members on a more personal level, and it was amazing to see the team bonding like a true family. BuddyBoss! We also took a ton of photos and hours of videos. Me and Lawrence flew in from Dubai, Graham joined us from London, Shelby came over from Toronto, and some of the team members came from other cities across the country. These team get-togethers are extremely important for us as they give us an opportunity to really get to know our people beyond work, and allows us to show them our appreciation for their hard work and the contributions they make towards serving BuddyBoss customers. After all, a company is only as good as the team that runs it, and we're very blessed to have an amazing, extremely talented, loyal, and very passionate team. So that's it for today's update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can stay notified when we post a new video, and I'll see you in April for the next BuddyBoss update.